All right, we're going to try this again. Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. Quick video here. Just want to give everybody a quick update. I am using an external microphone. Hopefully the echo is gone. If not, I'm just going to use the video regardless. So, I figured out that the timing chain is not the problem. It's actually good. I pulled the starter off, which is back there. It was a pain in the ass to get to. I had to take the upper intake gasket or intake off. The alternator had to come out. I mean, everything had to come out of there just for me to get to that starter. That's crazy. I couldn't imagine having put this in the shop, just have it worked on. But yeah, so I've come to the conclusion that the engine is definitely locked up. After research, I guess my oil light, because I have a dummy light for oil, I guess it wasn't coming on for a while. And I remember right before it did what it did, the light came on. And I thought, man, that's stupid because it has 5 quarts of oil in it. But I guess maybe the oil pump wasn't pumping, which is actually built into this plate right here. And when the rebuild kit comes with this plate, new oil pump and all that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be rebuilding the engine. So over time, I'm not going to be doing a how-to video or anything like that on. I'm just going to do these updates, and that's really all it's going to be. This truck, though, it's a good truck. It's got some issues, but it's a good truck. I got a transmission issue with it. I'm going to be fixing that. That's just shift solenoids. Not a big deal. It's going to get lifted this summer after I get everything fixed. I got a 3.2 lift for it. That's not very high, but it'll still be a good time. I will be cutting these foot steps off here. Can't think what they're called right now, but I'm going to be cutting them off down the road and maybe put some rock sliders on it. But we don't have rocks in Indiana, so I'm not too worried about it right now. Tires are actually in decent shape. They're all-terrain tires. I'm going to keep them for a little while. Probably put some spacers on wheels. There's my Lion. And space the wheels out a little bit. But down the road, it's probably more than likely going to end up getting some aftermarket wheels, offset 3.5 or 3.25 inch wheels with probably 33 1050s or 31 1050s is what it was I had on before. So that's probably what's going to happen there. It'll be a stout looking truck. It'll definitely be for wintertime use, toy, mudding, stuff like that. I mean, they're decent trucks. I would like to, down the road, I would like to get it right here. I would like to put a solid front axle in it. And it is doable. It's expensive, but it's doable. I'd like to put like a Dana 40 or something like that. It'd be cool to put Dana 60s in it, but those are 1-ton axles, and that'd be a lot of fabrication. So, but Dana 40 or 44 or something like that, I can't remember what it was. I did research on it, but I know it's right in there. Pretty much the same axles that they put in Jeep Wranglers or Cherokees. So that's kind of my plan. So other than that, yeah, that's going to be it for now. Hopefully this microphone cut out all the wind noise and cut out all the echoing and everything else. So if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and check me out on TikTok at Dirty Garage Mods. All links will be below in the description. And check me out on Facebook and Instagram. So, yep. Get a quick picture there. So, all right. Talk to y'all later.